everyone, so today I am going to be filling my long-awaited Bath & Body Works Empties. Sorry that my hair is still wet. It's kind of like in that middle wet, middle dry. I'm being fussy with it because it's just like, such like an awkward like thing. But anyways, I'm just gonna stop playing with that and I'm just gonna try to get into my empties because I have a lot. So, the very first thing, the toppity thing I have is this very dirty Golden Sands Creamy Luxe hand soap. This is the one that kind of looked pearlized. The scent is great, especially for like both guys and girls. It takes a while to use up, but then at the end, like there's that one bit that you can't use up, so you have to put water in it. The only thing I don't like about like the soaps that come in this one is that if you don't get everything off, like it just starts falling on the bottle and it starts looking gross. But it was nice. I probably won't repurchase the scent just because I want to eventually live on low waste / no waste, and you know, you could just make your own soap. But if I ever like decided like I just want to buy some hand soap, I would buy it on sale, and if it was this one, I definitely would consider buying it again. Okay, so a lot of these products are going to be from my Rolling Project Pan Bath & Body Works edition, so if you see repetition, that's probably why. But I have my Winter Candy Apple Fine Fragrance Mist. I believe I got this back like when we did like MOS sale. I love Winter Candy Apple. If you follow me on my channel, it is my all-time favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. I have backups of like everything in it except for car scents because I just don't like them anymore. But I basically have everything else in it. But yeah, I still have more so I don't have to repurchase it. Getting into body lotions, I also used up the Sweet Magnolia and Clementine. This smells really nice. I went to, just to scope out the semi-annual sale, and they have this one and some items of this collection. I was really tempted to get it, but then I was like, no. How many lotions do you have? I'm also on a no-buy for Bath & Body Works products, and I've been doing good, and I'm not going to let the semi-annual sale like ruin that. So there's that one. I also used up the Sonoma Weekend Escape body cream. This one was from the Vineyard line. This smells good. I don't have anything else in similar, but I'm just not more of like this type of warm scent. I prefer like fruity and floral, so that is that one. I also finished the Endless Weekend Ultra Shea body cream. I think I have body lotions in them. I like the scent of Endless Weekend, but I prefer the shower gel and the fine fragrance mist compared to the lotions just because I don't feel like the lotions have that much scent. What is this? Yes, I also ended up using up the Winter Candy Apple Body Lotion. I forgot I used this up because I guess it's been a while since I've filmed a Bath & Body Works Empties video. So there's this one, again, all-time favorite scent. I have backups of lotions. Then there's, a shower gel, finally. This was 1,000 Wishes shower gel. This wasn't in any of my projects just because, you know, you're going to use up shower gels. This was nice. I like 1,000 Wishes. It's super girly. It's super nice, except that the fine fragrance mist just doesn't work with my skin, but the shower gel was nice. It took me a while to use it up, but that's good. You're getting your money's worth. Here's another lotion. I know, lotion galore, but this is like good because it makes me see like how much lotions I use up in like a certain time span. So this is gonna help if like once I finish with my body lotions, like how many can I buy / should I buy. Okay, the second to last lotion I believe is the Wild Madagascar Vanilla, and this was like in this nice little tube. It's sad that this is discontinued because this is a better vanilla that Bath & Body Works has come up with, in my opinion. I hate warm vanilla sugar. I despise Vanilla Bean Noel, and I know there's like a cult following it, but I don't like it. I don't. Once the warm vanilla sugar is just really weird, and then Vanilla Bean Noel is like, it's like chokingly sweet for me. But this one was nice. I'm actually going to reuse this packaging, which I've been saving and waiting for me to film this video so I can reuse it. I'm going to put another lotion in here and then crush up like this highlighter that I have that I'm never gonna finish because I have too many highlighters, and just kind of make like my DIY Boom Boom cream, except without the Boom Boom cream smell, which is amazing. But yeah, so I'm just gonna reuse this container. Okay, here's the last lotion. This was also for my project. This is the CO Bigelow Chapped Hands Remedy. I like this. It took me forever to use up because the scent isn't my favorite. It just doesn't really have a scent. It's like very medicinal, but it works great on your feet, on like chapped areas. It works great. So I have one. It's technically my grandpa's, but he doesn't use it, so I might just steal it back because I gave it to him, but he just doesn't use it. So if I find myself needing it, I might just steal it back, but I just won't repurchase it just because CO Bigelow isn't cheap and it's never really on sale. And I believe this was $14. I mean, they always have like buy two get one, but that's still kind of pricey for it. Okay. I have a candle, which was like sitting at the bottom and not the top. This is the Tiki Beach candle. This is from like a couple years ago. As you can see, I feel like the wax didn't burn like super well, and like even when you look at it, like the thing I hate about like open lid candles, or like the ones that don't have lids basically, is that dust will start collecting, and even if you burn it, it'll always dry with the dust particles. So that's like why I'm like, But I love Tiki Beach. It's like it is my favorite summer scent that comes out yearly. I don't think they'd ever discontinue Tiki Beach because it's such a hit, and I love Tiki Beach. I do have another Tiki Beach candle, but I have to burn through other candles first before I get to that, and then by the time I get to that, it'll be winter, so I'll use it next spring. It's this whole dilemma, but I love Tiki Beach. I actually just changed the wallflower in my bathroom to Tiki Beach, so I'm excited. Yeah, I'm probably gonna freeze the wax, repurpose this, put the wax in my wax warmer to get a couple more minutes of scent out of that. So let me just put that over there. Okay, and then for my project, I also have the 1000 Wishes EDP. This was nice. The EDP does work with my body chemistry, just not so great. It's just like, it smells like meh. But again, the fragrance mist is the one that just like, I spray it and then I'm like, what? It smells like BO, and then I'm like, oh, it's me. So yeah, that's a sad, tragic story. Okay, dokie. And then I have a winter candy apple. See, are you believing me now that winter candy apple is my all-time favorite scent? Pocket Back, my last gratis. It was like one of my last gratis pieces ever when I worked at Bath & Body Works. It still smells like winter candy apple. I don't think I have any more. Actually, I think lies. I have one more winter candy apple. Pocket Back. So yeah, I don't go through pocket bags that much. I did when I used to work like at a kids clothing store because kids are gross. They just like, I've seen it all. Trust me, I've seen it all. And if you have kids, you know they can be kind of gross when they're younger. But yeah, I'm not gonna get too much into it. This is the last piece of wax from, what was this? Paris Spring Days, something like that. It's not Paris Amour, it's like the Spring Days, Spring something Paris. It didn't really have that much scent, so, but because it didn't have that much scent, I was able to like put a couple drops of essential oil and it would work beautifully. So this actually smells like lavender. Because lavender, like, and when you're trying to sleep, if you're like diffusing lavender, like you're gonna have the best sleep of your night, of your life. That didn't make sense, but anyways, yeah. Okay, then I have a wallflower plug. There's a whole story behind this. So this one kind of stopped working and like it crystallized of like whatever last wallflower I had. It's just like there's a bunch of crystals and I just like, that's not cute, and it just wasn't working anymore. And I was like, let me go to the semi-annual sale that's currently going on to see if I find any wallflower plugs, and there wasn't any. I went to 2 of them and they didn't have any like clearanced out wallflower plugs, which was unfortunate. But and then I was just like, wait, I have a wallflower plug. It's a Halloween themed wallflower plug and it has like a glittery black bats on it, And I'm just like, you know, after I'm done using up my wallflowers, I'm not gonna repurchase them. So why am I gonna buy like another one when I have a perfectly good one working? And this was in the downstairs bathroom, and because I didn't want like a Halloween bats in my downstairs bathroom, I moved the one that was in my bathroom to the downstairs, and now my bathroom has Halloween bats, and I think it's okay. I think it's like interesting. It's like, are those Halloween? Is that not Halloween? It is, because I don't want to waste my money on another one when I'm like close to running out of wallflowers, and I'm not interested in buying anymore because they stop working, and I'm just like not for it. So I have a car portable. This was Winter Candy Apple. And this is my last car portable of Winter Candy Apple. And that's just another thing I would never repurchase, just because I think it's like dumb, because it doesn't like, it lasts for 2 weeks, and then every now and then until like it's dried up, you'll get a little whiff of something. But when I first had it in, my friend who went into my car said that my car smelled like a fairy's vagina. And I'm taking that as a compliment. So last but not least, I have a couple of wallflowers for you, and this is like my main example of why I'm so done with wallflowers. This was Bergamont Waters, and it is brown. It doesn't even work anymore, like no scent was coming out, and I'm just done. Like halfway through it stops smelling, and then it turns like this god-awful color, and it's not, It just doesn't smell anymore. So there's that one. That was Bergamont Waters, and that was the one that had the owl thing, and then it died out. So yes, this was Winter Candy Apple. I labeled it because sometimes I forget, but I literally just replaced this one today. This was Winter Candy Apple. I have a bunch more. In fact, half of the wallflowers I have left are Winter Candy Apple, because that one never fails me. And then I also have Tiki Beach. And I just used my last Tiki Beach one in my bathroom. So what are my favorite scents? I think you know. I don't have to say anything, but those were all my Bath & Body Works empties. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a lot of you guys love my Bath & Body Works empties, so if you do Bath & Body Works empties or have a lot of it, like, let me know. I'll definitely go watch, because it's like my favorite video to watch ever. More so than regular empties, which is really weird, because I just like looking like, oh, I remember that scent, like, oh, that was good, that was good. I'm like, I didn't really like that one. I can relate because I worked there for 2 years. But I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!